Sergeant Bill Dykes sailed with 8th Division to Singapore in July 1941. In February 1942, the Japanese captured Singapore and all the men were put into Changi and other jails. 3 months later, Anderson Force was sent on hell ships with little food or water to Tavoy in Burma to build the airstrip where 8 men were shot for desertion. In October 42, they arrived at Mergui, Burma to begin work on the infamous Burma Railway, where many men were literally worked to death. After 1 year's severe hardships, they completed the railway south of Naitea and were sent to camp hospitals at Kanchanaburi and Nakhon Pathom. In 1945, he was sent south to build an escape route for the Japanese at Prachit Kiri Khan. This Mergui road exercise cost another 250 lives. The Allies finally rescued them in 1945 and evacuated Bill to Rangoon Hospital. He was then sent back to Changi. In my next video, I will show the death camps of Burma in graphic detail. May all those who died in this terrible brutality rest in peace.